Welcome to our channel. Now we are going to make fish fry. For that you have to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt, and mix it well. After mixing, now add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. Apply to the fish pieces. After applying all the ingredients to the fish pieces, now wait for 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, now add half cup of oil into a kadai and add fish pieces into it and fry it. After one side was become brownish color, you can turn it to another side. One side of the fish was fried well and the other side was frying. The fish was completely fried well, and now you have to take into a bowl. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel.